Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can rename your projects, boards and forms in your workspace on Monday. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to workspace on Monday, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you select your workspace from that list, and below you see a list of all attached or assigned projects, boards and forms. So simply hover your mouse over the given board, click into these three dots and select rename. And after that, simply give it a name here, like, I don't know, board 1, press enter, and that's it. Option number two, guys, you navigate to your workspace, and here in the overview, navigate to content, and here you will see a list of all of your assets in the given workspace. So click into the given board or form. Let me go with this form here. That is going to open up the given asset in a new tab. As you can see, wait for it to finish loading. And after that, simply click into your form here at the top. Delete the previous name and add the new name, like, I don't know, my form 01 or something like that. Sorry, excuse the typo here. Press enter. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.